Puppet Snowflakes here, and today we have chocolate inside out eggs and another one, and Kinder Joy eggs, and let's open.
No. What egg is that, Annabelle? Inside out?
I think. Let me pop open the egg. The chocolate. And then open the top lid up. Let's see what we got. I got angle.
What do you say? Cool, what is it? An eraser, it looks like, no?
It's a eraser. Now it's my turn.
Is that an inside-out egg, too?
Yes. Let's see what you got, Kaylee. What did he get? I'm gonna chocolate in the morning. I got Samus.
Can I see? Hold on. Cool.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, what egg do you have?
Kinder.
Okay.
Mommy. Ooh.
That's cool.
Let me see the waffles. You can even get disgust. And oh my god. I got Minion.
Cool, let me see.
Minion! Playing the car. A babu. A vaca. To come.